my beautiful people, माझ्या इस्तिमासाच्या मोगाल गोंयकारांनो तुम्ही सद्याक आतां पळोवंक शकता सद्याक हांव त्या कॅमेरा मातसो त्या वटेन घेवन येता जस्ट रोल द कॅमेरा आउट देयर ओके come back here and as you can see there revival festival is happening here and your wall what you can see all the stalls are all on sustainability and upcycle and much more and we have Sanjeev the man who has created it's happening it's not created it's happening so I just want to although it's happening Sanjeev we have been having a conversation and you told me it's happening you are not taking any credit for that but I can see the hard work what has been going behind this so what made you think about creating such a beautiful event?
I think if I take a step back, one of the biggest takeaways during the whole pandemic has been the realization of self-sustainability. Not just sustainability. So we started Sensible Earth, the Center for Sustainability, a year ago. But the pandemic brought a whole new perspective to it, where for the first time ever, no matter what we have or don't have, we were reaching deep inside our cupboards and refrigerators looking for food. We were looking at neighbors and what food they were growing. We were looking at neighborhood farmers. All of a sudden, we got a whole new perspective that money and the ease of money that we think it provides is very fictional. And there is nothing more real than a local ecosystem.
Absolutely.
It also led me to read a little bit about Gandhiji's Swaraj and what he talks about. And our country is very unique where whether it's a community system, whether it's a panchayat system, it has always built local ecosystems.
Absolutely.
And it is really essential and important that before we go back to what is referred to in business as usual, BAU, before we go back to business as usual, and looks like public is going back to business as usual with a vengeance. Meaning the consumption is not just restarting, it is restarting with a vengeance in many ways, that people have had no opportunity to buy things. So all of a sudden the car sales have picked up again. Before Diwali there are offers every day from Croma, from everywhere else.
And completely
Huge
forgotten of
material creations are happening.
completely forgot of what is actually happening.
Absolutely. So we feel many of us came together and we feel that this is an opportunity just before Diwali for us to be able to look at material things from a whole different perspective. And therefore what is very unique here at this festival is that we have brought waste to the very center. So what is the bandstand that is supposed to be for music and for stage and for performance is our waste collection.
Absolutely.
So we brought waste to the center. The amazing people like you and others who are surrounding it. If you just look at one of our Sensible Earth initiatives,
the cycles. You can zoom in there.
Now, did we call that upcycle?
Oh, upcycle. Cycles been upcycled. Yeah, enough.
So these are made out of discarded bicycles, which are complete junk, bhangar. That's the condition they come in, and you should see those cycles now.
Absolutely.
Now imagine each cycle that we save from the landfills is, and I'm not telling you hypothetically, I'm telling you a real situation, is mined, is iron poured in Goa, mined in Goa, sent to China and to Japan, converted into metal, frames made over there, and a new cycle created, brought on ships and brought here again.
Oh my God, the cycle
Just
is coming.
imagine, so by saving just even one cycle as an example, we're actually saving Goa and the trees of Goa.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Similarly, I am sure that you know Feli.
Yeah, about the
That's-
bags, the plastic bags
Plastic
also.
bags.
It's phenomenal. It's amazing.
Did you know that today, leaving Kingfisher, and now even Kingfisher is going down the same route, every single beer bottle that we drink is broken,
Absolutely, yeah, yeah,
destroyed,
yeah.
melted in large furnaces, recreated in other bottles, and every cycle it gets downgraded.
Yes,
From a transparent color to a green, green to a brown, brown to a blue, and nobody wants the blue.
yeah.
Just imagine for that 20 minutes that we take to drink a beer bottle, how much material we're creating, how much energy are we creating. There's a company here that does amazing work that makes these bottles out of, makes beautiful glasses out of these bottles.
Upcycle, amazing, amazing, yeah.
So while we're finding different routes, I think what's very important is that we must look at material consumption from a different point of view. Here's another one.
Yeah.
If you look at what
Yeah.
Jane and her partners are doing with textiles, did you know that 97% of textiles land up in landfills? They're not recycled.
Exactly.
Only 3% are recycled.
Yeah, the rest
And
everything.
the second largest contribution to landfills is textiles.
Wow. It's just not plastic, it's even textile.
Because most of the clothing today is made out of plastics. Our bottle, which is PET, is polyester.
Polyester, yeah.
Our clothing, what we get from Nike and Adidas, and our shoes is also polyester, it's PET.
Oh.
It's the same thing.
Absolutely.
So we're wearing plastic actually.
Plastic, absolutely.
And
yeah.
now the moment plastic and cotton get combined together,
Yeah,
you cannot recycle it.
absolutely.
You can't separate it.
Yeah, yeah.
So these are some of the. I can go on and on.
Yeah, so yeah, you can go on and on. That's very beautiful and amazing knowledge, information to the people what you're sharing right now. And it's very important at this point of time where you're creating this awareness, where I can see and there's storytelling happening there. There's pop, beautiful community what is happening out there, and there are. And the food is just
There's hula hoop,
their hula hoop
there's
happening.
slacklining, there's
Absolutely.
hip hop. There's a big hip hop thing today. I just wanted to add one more thing, Feli. The reason that we're doing this is because we feel it's really important to bring our young people into the sustainability conversation. And not to preach, but for them to come here,
Yeah.
do their bit, but also experience this from this point of view. We cannot preach to our young.
Absolutely.
We can only be examples.
Yes.
So by creating an experience to invite them to come here, they can experience what's happening and hopefully do things.
Absolutely. Thanks a lot, Sanjeev. It was a really amazing experience right now with
Thank
you
you.
sharing
Thank you.
so much thing. Thank you, my beautiful people. So you know where to come. Sensible Earth in Porvorim, or you're shifted?
To Salva Dudumu.
Salva de Moon. I'm going to definitely post your address on top, and that's how you can get in touch with Sanjeev. And he has a brilliant idea what you can share, and your idea you can share, and together we can work as a community, big community.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. This is Felicom Siol all the way from Asagaon, and right now I'm in Ponje and for the Revival Festival. Deo Bare Kuru.